Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT on Windows 11. You can use the ChatGPT desktop app, access AI chat faster without opening your browser every time. So let's get started. So firstly, click on Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Tap to open it. Now click on the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT. Press enter. Now you can download the first app. You will see the official ChatGPT app by OpenAI. Here you will see OpenAI. Make sure you select the official app, not any random third party app. And click on the app, get to download and install the app. Now you will see for this you have good internet connection. It depends on. Now you will see it will almost completed. Almost done. Now installation is complete. Now once installed, click open. The ChatGPT app will launch on your Windows 11 PC. So it will launch. You will see it will now login using your email ID. That's it. Now you can use ChatGPT directly from your desktop for. You can go to start menu. Here you will search for ChatGPT. Then right click on it. Then here you will see. Then click on pin to start, pin to taskbar. I will select pin to taskbar, or you can easily create a desktop shortcut. Right click on it, click on open file location, then right click on it. Here you will see you can just simply Control C and paste it into your desktop. Here you will see the shortcut will be created successfully. And that's it. How to download ChatGPT on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.